Today is the day to grab a correct, low-mileage, second-generation Trans Am to show and enjoy. And this awesome 78 Trans Am is a numbers-matching time capsule that combines low original miles with enduring Pontiac performance and all-American style. The car's first owner was a dedicated dealership employee who began systematically amassing a collection of spectacular Pontiacs. After roughly 20 years and only 1,700 miles, the enthusiast decided to thin his collection to fund his growing family. And in the late 1990s, the car met its second owner, continuing the routine of sparse drives and climate-controlled storage. Open the doors and you'll find an original camel tan interior that creates a striking yet comfortable cockpit. Original seats are agreeably firm and cushy. An engine-turned instrument panel hangs crystal-clear rally gauges above factory climate control and a vintage Delco GM cassette player. The console anchors a large storage bin and chrome power window switches behind the shifter, and a formula steering wheel laps a tilting column. Under this coupe's long hood, you'll find an original Pontiac 400 that wears a correct casting number opposite a matching partial VIN. That proven motor leads an original GM Turbo Hydromatic 353 speed. If you're in the market for a pedigreed Pontiac that's the quintessential late 1970s American muscle car, here it is. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.